139 at me. You can copy tag. It's silver on there.
Okay, Adam, you paying someone?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. Can you copy tag?
Simple.
So they appear to be sleeping in the car.
Mm-hmm.
Male, female. They all hooked up.
Who called this in?
Complaining. The male would get out, jump on top of the car, and pull a gun out.
The dude that's sleeping in the car?
Yeah, I don't know if he's sleeping or just saw me.
113 Adam,
113 Adam, go ahead. But I didn't try.
comes back to a 2024 silver Hyundai 4-door.
Female driver.
What do you want to do with it?
Yeah, I can knock it and see. I can talk to you.
Just 230507 hour. That's Adam 8. It's 1029 is showing 1010.
What's it gonna? 113 Charles 9, I got shots fired, shots fired. You ready?
Unit 113 Charles has a meeting.
Is she alive?
Yeah.
Ma'am, are you alive?
6th Street. Showing EUA citywide. Code 1 supervisor copy.
Man, get it, secure.
Yeah.
113 Charles 9, I got one down. I need Razzie to respond to my location.
Man, come and step away, car, please.
What happened?
Alright.
113
You okay?
Yeah.
We're in the back.
We're in the back.
Ryan, send me Razzie. I need a supervisor, and I need unit to set up a perimeter. I got one down.
Are you okay?
Yeah.